Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Twitch account to your PlayStation 4 account. This is really easy to do. So what I want to do is go up to the top and then go to settings right here. Go to account management, then go to linked services. And it's going to say please wait, and it may take about 10 to 15 seconds for this to load. But when it does, it's going to give you an option for Spotify, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube. So we can go to where it says Twitch, and you can upload your best gaming modes to Twitch. You can easily share and upload live broadcasts with friends, family, and followers. And nothing will post to Twitch without your permission, so we can select Twitch right here. And then we have to sign in with our email address and password with Twitch and accept any kind of permission. So you can see my account is already linked right here, and I have the option to unlink and go to OK. So all I have to do is go over to like a game now. So here's Sonic Mania. Then hold down the share button and open up the share and broadcast screen right here, and then go to broadcast gameplay, and then Twitch will be an option. We just have to go to this and we can start streaming right away. So just go to start broadcasting, and once you fill in all the information above, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.